Guess what we got? A Hoover Windtunnel from the thrift store. Rewind. The Hoover Windtunnel Rewind. Look. Guess what I got? The Hoover. Unfortunately, I don't see the stick. Unfortunately, the sticker the one that says "Contact us." Please do not return to the store. Look. Here's the serial number. It says Hoover. It has 12 amps, 120 volts. Model. It says Technic Floor Care Technology Limited. Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. Aspiradora. I know. 120 volts. 68. 12 amps. That's listed. So electricity. What's this? Technology Limited. I like it. It has 12 amps, baby. It's 12 amps. It has a cord rewind. It's not working. It's just a little issue. It's not. This is automatic. How fast it does? Way faster than the pistol power lifter swivel rewind pet. So we're gonna do a test next time.